Okay, so welcome back. In this video we're going to find out how we can stake, the easiest way to make some money for the airdrops. Right, so airdrops has been crazy for the last couple of months, has been crazy for the last year, and everybody's saying 2024 will be the biggest year for airdrops. So I will show you the easiest way to how to stake Cosmos, Celestia, Jura, Osmosis, Injective, and so on and so on. This is the easiest way. Again, I did a couple of videos in the last couple of days for how to stake Injective on Black Panther, and also now I'm going to show you what is the easiest way. The easiest way is to have some kind of partner to work with you, okay? Because if you keep track on everybody, it's crazy, okay? If you go to chase all the airdrops, be careful out there. There are a lot of fake airdrops, a lot of fake websites. For me, the best way is, if you have already the token, what I have, just take them to the validator and just leave it. Just follow their social medias and see when the airdrop is going to happen and if that happened. That's the best way and the easiest way. Okay, so let's go and let me explain you what I did. Now, just disclaimer, nothing here is financial advice. Do your research. This is crypto and you can lose everything. Okay, so what I find out, first you need Kepler wallet, all right? So you need Kepler wallet right there, Kepler. Or what you can do, what my amazing admin told me, you can use Leapfrog. This one here is even easier, all right? This one is amazing. It doesn't have white, I don't know, like, you know, day and light, day and dark, so they only have like night. Okay, I don't know why they don't have day view, you know. But okay, so what you need to do, if you have the tokens outside and you want to chase airdrops and you don't know what to do, stake them to the validators. First you need the tokens. First you need to get the wallet. So get the Leapfrog or get Kepler. Go and install just the every wallet, you know, and then make sure you use Ledger or any hardware wallet. All right, always, that's the golden rule. I don't care how much money you have, even you have $100, use a Ledger or any hardware wallet. Okay, next thing what you need to do is, let's say let's say you're going to use Leapboard. I'm going to show you on both. You go here. Okay, so you open your wallet, all right? So what you can do on the right side, you can see every chain. This is the most beautiful thing here. On Leapfrog, you can change, I just sent Injective and I swap Injective to every single token I want to have in every single chain what they have, even SIA, you know, that's crazy. This is amazing, all right? Now, what you can do is, let's say you go here, you press, or I'm using just their website, okay? So you go here, you connect your wallet. Once you connect, okay, what you need to do is you go here and you need to pick up what chain. Let's say you want to stake Cosmos, Osmosis, Juno. Look how many they have, okay? Say, all right? So many and so many. So you choose, let's say, Cosmos. You select the validator, which one you want. Make sure it's not any kind of central exchange, and exchange go down, you know, after like 15-20. I use this one, Stake Cheeto, by the way. That was recommended to me. Again, that's up to you. Don't go to Binance and all that stuff. So make sure you choose somebody with less commission, not like too much, not too less, like 5% is normal. Once you choose, all right, then you go stake, and that's all. You go how many tokens you want, and then you go enter and you confirm on your hardware wallet or on your wallet out there. Simple as that, okay? And then you just follow when the airdrop going to happen. Make sure that you understand this. When you stake here, when you unstake, it's going to take 21 days to get the tokens back in your wallet, and also in between time you get some percentage. Here it's paying 17% APR. So this is the easiest way to stake. Say, you can see here, look how many, all right? All of them. Now it depends what you're chasing. Now let's go and explain for the Kepler wallet. So let's say you have a Kepler wallet. Sorry, you cannot see on the screen. So you push down here, all right? And then you go here, you can see this one, stake, all right? And go with, you just press here, it's going to open this full website. So you choose the chain, what do you want? Let's say Celestia, all right? Then you choose the validator, exactly the same, all right? Exactly the same. You can use both website, both wallet, all right? Make sure it's not any kind of exchange, okay? Go to, this is my favorite, go there, all right? I think do choose wherever you want. And then I don't have any money, you go to deposit, all right? When you deposit, you know, you need to say how many and you deposit. Simple as that. You can do all of them. Just follow them, follow their what's called social media, and then you can find out when they're going to have some airdrops. I hope this video helped you. This is the easiest way for me. There's so many different airdrops, you know. If you want to chase them up, go ahead. I don't have the time, and for me sometimes it's too risky. Going and pressing so many websites, opening so many websites can be a little bit scary. All right, thank you so much. Hope you learned something. If you learned, smash the like and let me know what you're doing. Are you staking like this? Are you chasing different airdrops? What you've been doing? Thank you so much.